Hi, welcome to the coupon code webinar. Thanks for waiting. I accidentally started without going live, so I'll redo it. Thanks for your patience. Today we're going to talk about coupon codes and how you can spice up your attribution with coupon codes. So here we go. In this webinar, we'll discuss what is coupon code in Everflow terms and how to create and manage coupon codes, and learn ways to bulk upload or bulk update coupon codes, and how to see coupon codes in reporting in the ways that works for you. And lastly, I'm going to introduce some upcoming webinars that we are very excited about and conclude the webinar. So let's get started. So what is coupon code? In Everflow, coupon code is used for attribution. This means that coupon code is used to determine which partner will receive credit for the associated conversion, which is different from what you would typically think in an e-commerce offers or when you go to a Shopify store, meaning that there will be a discount associated. This is not what we refer to in Everflow as a coupon code. Some common questions we have with that is, does creating coupon code in Everflow create a discount code in your store? The answer is no. They run separately. If you want to assign a discount code in your store, please do so in your e-com store. Can you create a link with the coupon code in the URL? Yes, you can. We'll review that briefly in a moment. Does using coupon code tracking URL apply coupon code to the checkout? The answer is no. To do so, you need to have a somewhat specially generalized link or URL from your e-commerce store. So that's something that you have to consult with your e-commerce store support if you're not sure. Now with that, how do you create a coupon code? I think some of you may already know how to do this if you've been using Everflow, but nonetheless, here we go. To create a coupon code, click on the left-hand menu, Partners, navigate to Coupon Codes, and click on the little plus coupon code button on the left top. You'll be asked to name the coupon code that will be the actual code that will be used. Select Offer and Partner. And you can also set a start and end date if this will only apply for a period, and add a description and click Save. Just as simple and intuitive as that. Now, there might be some cases where you want to use a duplicate or placeholder coupon codes. In such cases, you can do that. To make a duplicate coupon codes, it's the same process as you just watched, but note that this can only apply to one partner across multiple offers, meaning you cannot have the one offer have different same coupon codes across multiple partners. It has to be only one partner across multiple offers. For placeholder coupon codes, this means that the coupon code has an offer, but no partner. Sorry, there was a typo there, but no, it's not assigned to any partners, but assigned to offers. You can see in the example here that the partners will show as empty if you're not sure who will receive credit when associated with such coupon codes. Now, how do you manage coupon codes? If you go to, again, the partners and coupon codes, you see the list of coupon codes available in the partners and offers and whatever column that you have configured. We're going to go to all the way to the right and click on the 3 vertical dots. You see 3 options: edit, delete, or history. All of them are pretty self-explanatory. You also see the little link button here, which will allow you to generate a coupon code tracking URL. Those that are grayed out, you won't be able to copy the coupon code URL. It is because this is a duplicate coupon code, as you can see. You can also bulk upload or update coupon codes. To do so, again, we're going to go to Partners, Coupon Codes. You see the little button here. There will be an option to bulk add coupon codes. If you want to bulk update coupon codes, also possible. We're just going to go to the right corner, top right corner, and click on this, again, 3 vertical dots. This is your friend if you're new to Everflow. It'll help you in many ways. And select the option to bulk update coupon codes. They both will take you to the same place where you import coupon codes in bulk. You'll be able to download templates to do so. And once the template is filled in, you can upload them. Once you upload, it'll actually tell you if there's any errors in the CSV file and what needs to change. If you get that red X button and give you an explanation of what's wrong, you will need to fix that. If you're not sure, you can always reach out to the customer success team to help you out with that. Once the file is correctly configured, you can upload and you'll see this green check button. And the last thing you need to do is just simply import. Now, this is the last part of the webinar, how to spot coupon codes in reporting. There are multiple ways to do this, but I'm going to share two main ways that you can see coupon codes in reportings. First is in conversion reports. Adding coupon code column, again, by clicking on these three vertical dots, go to column customization and add coupon codes will allow you to see coupon code associated with each conversion. Another way to see coupon codes is using reports like dynamic nested. This will give you a more aggregated results and performance of each coupon code. In this example, I use the parent of coupon code and child of partner. This can be configured in many different ways and however you want to see it. This is just an example. It doesn't have to be exactly this way. But in this example, you can see that how different coupon code performs for each partner, for instance. Now, lastly, I wanted to introduce you to some of the webinars that's coming and we're very excited about. On September 11th, we're going to unveil the new Everflow integration. And our client, Aragon Premium, who's been in beta with us using this configuration and giving us lots of different feedbacks on how we can perfect this feature, will join us with me and Julian from the product team. This is an exciting feature that is going to be extremely helpful, especially if you're working with app campaigns and AppsFlyer. It'll let you import aggregated level reporting without having to individually set offers or partners. The next one, we'll have another webinar on the 18th. It'll be the comprehensive guide to analytics, dimensional, and variance reports. And on the 25th, we have a new feature spotlight, event funnel analytics. I am very excited about this one. Our team worked very hard on it. It'll let you see a linear relationship between different events in graphs and in metrics and reporting. So I hope you will join us for this. Well, all three webinars. And that is it for the coupon codes webinar today. If there's any questions, this would be the time to ask. I'll give 1 minute to anybody with a question. You can type it in the chat. If there are no questions, thank you from Everflow team. Okay, well, thanks for joining us today. I hope you have a great rest of